Why you stare at me?
Before anyone says anything, we're running in.
No, we don't.
Like, ever. And if we do, with me. But we do shoot them. But right now she was standing straight and I wanted to shoot them.
Say hi.
Hello.
It's the first day of Vlogmas. I
I
forgot.
look like a mess.
So do I. Just Puma brushed my hair yesterday.
Oh,
Right,
So.
shut it off.
Get a COVID vaccine and my armpit hurts. Our mixer from 1922. Maybe. Can't my finger. Which one?
That's what they do. We love onions in this house. It's totally fine.
Ow! Say hi. Wait, can they see
Hi.
us? Because I can't see the
I
screen.
don't know. You gotta go.
I'm ugly though. You just popped a pimple. That's what Kaylee got me. But anyways, yeah, I did. I'm trying the thing that my mom just made. My mom swears by it. I mean, it's always. Dude. We might have to film before going. Kaylee popped a pimple. It was white. Nobody told me.
I didn't see it. I don't have glasses.
Well, she did, so.
Oh, so gross.
You're gonna tell me you wouldn't do that to him?
He'll get mad. I'm like, he'll be like, can you hurry up? I asked.
We just made coffee. It's so good. Yeah. Oh, you can see our ugly backyard. Bean. Please back up. Okay. It's the first day of Vlogmas.
Look at him.
I would show the other ones, but they're using the litter box, so.
They're not even using it. They're playing with it.
They're playing with it?
Yeah.
Oh my.
What is using it?
The other ones are like, hi. I'm zoomed in, of course. I can't even zoom out. Bye-bye. Don't follow me. I got the COVID booster shot day before yesterday. The symptoms aren't even bad if you were thinking about getting it and are scared. I personally was just really tired, but... And, apparently your lymph nodes can get swollen in your collarbone or your armpit. My mom got it in her collarbone and I got it in my armpit. So literally, it's like a huge ass ball in my, like it feels like I'm holding a baseball, like, and it hurts like a bee, but whatever. Anyways, so hopefully, I hope, because we're not for sure right now, we're going on a cruise from December 4th to the 11th. There's so many factors into going and stuff that's going wrong. So we have no idea if we're actually going. But yeah, so if we are, I'll show packing and everything like that. But the problem is with like Vlogmas, you know, you're supposed to upload every day. You can't upload in the middle of the ocean. I can edit all I want, but I can't put it up until I get back. So y'all let me know. Like, I'm not trying to fail because last year I didn't fail. Like last year I went all the way through till December 24th. I don't know if that's the right date, but I always do till December 24th. So yeah, I might not upload December 4th to the 11th, which is only 7 days. And I'm going to upload all of the cruise vlogs when I get back. So it's like making up for it. You know what I mean? I don't know. I'm stressed until we know what's happening. I'm about to do homework because I have a lot of it. But what's cool is homework is over. No.
Oh. Hello.
She's eating eggs. What's good is we have, I mean, school ends the 16th or something, like for college. Nightmare Before Christmas. So I'm gonna do homework. I don't know what this piece of hair, but this is my background. Very cute, very cute. Yeah, I have statistics. I childhood growth and development and English. I have an essay due, but it's due the 18th, so I'm not doing it till like back. But we have the nightmare before Christmas on. Because this one teacher assigns like 15 plus assignments a week. So I have to do the 15 for this week that are due and next week because they're due December 12th and I don't get back until the 11th. That is if I'm going. Hi, Wipey. She's so big. She's huge.
Her tail's fluffy.
Like her mom. Oh. I literally told myself I was done with this class for the week and I saw this huge assignment that's worth 75 points and look how much. Like I have to pick one, do all this. That's the rubric, but doing homework. It's been about an hour, I think. And I also realized that 3 assignments don't open until December 6th and they're due December 11th. Which I can't do if I go. So I asked my teacher, or I asked my professor what I can do. We are about to go paint. We have Pumbaa. Where's she? She's mad, I don't know why.
Okay.
I said we have Pumbaa, she's mad, I don't know why. Oh, are you pressed? Are you booty tickled?
I was looking at Hunter X Hunter songs on TikTok.
Oh, is that why you're sad?
No.
Were you crying?
No.
Oh, okay. I love your 2 different styles of eyeliner. I did 2 different styles of eyeliner on Pumbaa yesterday to see which one she liked more, and she just hasn't taken them off. So she has a thin one and a thick one. Very nice, very nice.
It's almost double the price.
Andrew, how are you feeling?
¿Cómo te sientes?
We were wondering if you had anything. Mira la señora lo que necesita.
Hi. Oh, this is my tag. You wanna come in? Come on, baby. Come on. Wipey's coming in my room. Anyways, so we're for sure going on the cruise now. Now we just have the problem of like COVID testing, making sure we get the results on time because you have to. Vaccinated individuals can only have it December 3rd, and can only get the earliest test December 2nd, and we have to board the 4th, which if you've gotten COVID test results, you know it's 2 to 4 days before you actually get the results. So yeah, we're stressed about that, so we're trying to figure out a backup plan. I think we get a rapid test. Anyways, it's a whole thing, and it's very frustrating, but we're for sure going now because there was something that was probably we weren't going to be able to go at all. I also have my hair tied. I also want to cut my hair, but I can't. So yeah. But I'm going to go work out right now. I'm going to do legs. I really don't want to, but it's leg day. So, and I can't take pre-workout because it is 6:30. Well, it's actually early. No, I'm not going to take pre-workout because if I feel like it, I might as well just do it. But this is my workout outfit. It's literally just shorts that are painted on and an inside out shirt. It's actually this shirt. And I'm not even wearing a bra. I'm wearing this shirt that I wear as a bra because I either really want to wear a bra or I really just don't want to because it's annoying me. There's no in between. But anyways, we're gonna go do legs. My cat is eating. Yeah, I don't want to. Okay, so I'm gonna set this to workout mode. So, oh, excuse me. Workout, other workout, and boom.
calories, 162 calories.
Me and Puma are gonna run into Target real quick. This is the fit. I haven't showered yet. But I'm gonna shower when I get back. But I'll vlog in Target. Vlog at Target, and I completely forgot. We were literally in there for like 6 minutes. We grabbed some socks, we grabbed some toothpicks, and got out of there. Do you like my Christmas lights? Okay. I'm checking the mail. It smells like laundry detergent out here. Far out here, which is weird. Weird. Anyways, yeah, I forgot to vlog in Target, but I think I'm gonna go shower right now once I get this mail. God, it's dark. Literally, because we live in the desert, we're like all the way out here for my mail. Like, look how far away from my house I am. If there's nothing in here, okay, I was gonna cry. I need a flashlight, hold on.
Okay, I thought. Okay.
Oh, can we use this tip too? Do we need to do
No,
what
that
they
was
did?
prettier. It's a star. That one's just circle.
So I just finished editing my video. So I'm gonna go shower right now, and then I'm gonna pack my clothes because Puma has hers done, so I need to pack mine so that they're done in the luggage and I don't wear any of them. It's only 3 days until then, so I do not need to wear like nice clothes that I will take on the cruise. So yeah, and then that'll be the end of this vlog once I'm done packing. I don't think I want to do a separate video for packing because it's not even that big of a deal in my opinion. I'm literally just gonna put clothes in a suitcase. So yeah, I'll make my outro later, but I just finished editing the whole day of the vlog. And then I'll pack, and then I'll shower, or I'll shower and then I'll pack. I don't know. I lay with her, like I'll walk into my room and just lay with Wybie. Say hi. Hello. Okay. And she's stretching. Nice. Why do I do this so much? Just like melatonin. I'm gonna put this in the beginning of the other clip, and I'm gonna watch the Great British Baking Show while I pack. Hello. I just got out of the shower, obviously, with my ratchet hair. I don't even know. I think this part's dry. That's why it's doing that. Oh, I didn't just get out of the shower. I got out of the shower like 10 minutes ago. But yeah. I'm gonna pack real quick. I'm not gonna show the whole thing. I'm just gonna like, here's nothing and here's all of it, because I don't feel like a whole, like, maybe for some people, like, let's make a whole video on it. It's just not my vibe, and it's not the content I do. So, let's move all this. Here is my empty bed with no outfits. So I went to do my laundry real quick and I never came back. I started watching cruise videos with my parents at like 10:25. It is now 11:42. I put my stuff in the dryer and I went to sit down just to watch a video, and then we kept watching, and then Puma came and then we kept watching more. Yeah, so my stuff in the dryer is probably done by now. I told Puma she could get it out. I saw this, we watched videos of the girl taking the exact same route, which is Puerto Vallarta, Mazatlan, and Cuba, I think. And it was freaking humid, so now I'm like, I have so many pants that I need to take more shorts. Like, I have pants to just wear, like, on the cruise, because inside the cruise ship, it is sometimes cold as far as I can remember. But this is what I got going right now. So, since there is, obviously, a gym, I have workout clothes, and I have just pajamas, and then a bunch of underwear, a bunch of sports bras, because I'm not going to wear both. And then outfits. A lot of them have sweats, so I'm going to have, like, shorts as an alternative. And then those are all... Those are outfits, but those are all socks. I have a bunch of socks. It's really not that much. And then these are all long sleeves. These 3, and I think I have 2 of them as long sleeves. You can walk in. What are you doing? Oh. She was like rubbing her body. Don't put it on my bed.
My foot. Why not?
Put it over there, not on top. That's what I meant, not to put it on. Okay. Well, get your clothes out. Well, anyways, so I'm just gonna take these 2 extra pairs of shorts, because I want to have enough clothes. But yeah, that's what I got going on. It's 7 days. I'm just thinking of worst case scenario, plus workout, plus it could get cold on the ship. And it's also winter, but it's also might not be cold in any of the places because we're going to Mexico and it's freaking humid. So yeah, that's what I got going on. So me and Pumbaa do not fit in the same suitcase. We are overfilled.
There's no limit.
There's no limit?
Yeah, so I could get the second suitcase for you.
Okay.
I have one in my closet.
Yeah, because we are out here struggling. Literally, I still have all of that, and
I'm like, I want to take my shoes. Like,
yeah, like where would I put my shoes?
Yeah.
Brought me. Look, what is that? It's hairy.
When she was pregnant, so now it's hairy. In my closet.
She's giving me the runt of the freaking suitcase.
I'll make it not hairy for you.
You better do it now.
Where's the lip roller?
I don't know. I don't think I have one.
There's no lip roller.
Did you even look? I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I am tired and I need to finish editing the end of this video. Pumbaa is gonna cut that shirt into a crop top. I'll show you tomorrow. But I need to edit the rest of this video and I'm freaking tired, so I'm gonna do that right now. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. But I probably will only have vlogs until the 3rd, which I'm very sad about because because of the cruise and I can't upload in the middle of the ocean. Or maybe I could upload on like days that we stop. But we have more days at sea than we do on land, so yeah. We'll see.